Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video I am bringing you guys a clean with me video. So we have lots to get done around the house today, so if you have anything on that to-do list, let's go ahead and get it done together. So as always, we started out by making the bed, and then I wanted to do a little bit of a detail cleaning in here, including wiping down the nightstands, wiping down the mirror, wiping down this cabinetry right here, and I definitely want to vacuum as well. So we have lots to get done within this area, and then we'll move on to the bathroom next.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines underneath.
So in the bathroom, I wanted to wipe down the mirror, wipe down the sinks, and I also wanted to detail clean the toilet. It's been a little bit since I've done that, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today as well.
Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, there's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts.
I did want to mention I recently put out a fall clean and decorate with me. This was my previous video right before this one, so I will put that in the description box below if you are needing any type of motivation in regards to decorating. I definitely love how everything came together. I did go out and purchase a few more pieces, but I definitely kept it simple like I always do, and most of my colors were definitely neutral. So if you're into neutral colors or beige and whites, and I did do some amber as well, like I said, go check that video out.
I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you. There is trouble, it's hard to confide. You belong with the fairies. No matter what I say, it's black or white, not gray. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose.
Now that we're finished in the bathroom, I'm going to just tidy up in the living room, and then I'm also going to do some vacuuming as well, and then we'll work our way to the dining area and the kitchen.
You're above and beyond. Oh, every tune is your song. Doesn't matter what I say, there is no other way. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure. Oh, don't shift, don't change. Keep driving me crazy. Easy gets colorless. I like your man. Gotta stay loose when next to you. I wanna be sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me.
In the dining room area, I just wanted to clean off that table, wipe it down, and then I'm doing some vacuuming now. And then in the kitchen, we're going to do pretty much the exact same thing. Clean off the countertop, wipe it down, and then we're going to vacuum as well.
Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me.
I do want to mention, I had someone comment on one of my videos, I want to say probably quite a few weeks ago, and they said they love the way I keep cleaning simple. And that is definitely, whenever you come to my channel, that is definitely my goal, to show you that cleaning can definitely be simple, because I know there's a lot of videos out there where it can be very overwhelming, to where they have lots of stuff out, lots of cleaning done where it takes them 3, 4, 5 hours. It takes me an hour and a half max, and that's if I'm doing a detail cleaning. So I would definitely encourage you to create that cleaning routine. Make sure to go through that process of decluttering and organizing your space, and it will make cleaning so simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. In general, life is simple, so I don't know why we make it so complicated, but I just wanted to mention that if you find cleaning overwhelming, something is not right. So that is definitely something that you need to get a hold of, because cleaning should be simple. But I just hope whenever you do come to my channel, that is definitely how you feel. So let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, you can always send me a DM on Instagram as well if you don't want to like put it out in public. So if you have any questions in regards to cleaning, organizing, decluttering, I'm definitely here to help and encourage you to make it simple.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again.
So I decided to pick up the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider all-purpose spray. You guys know that I always use Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, but I decided to go with the fall theme and do the apple cider one, and it is a really good one. However, it is very strong, and I just can't do strong scents, so I am using it up, but it is definitely way too strong for me. So if you like the apple cider flavor, or like the scent in general, like as far as a candle or anything, this is definitely, you'll really like this one. So definitely check it out. Like I said, I can't I probably won't purchase it again just because it's really strong, but if you like strong scents, you'll definitely love this one.
I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, decluttering, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to motivate you or inspire you to get something done. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here. Thanks again for watching this clean with me. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.